Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we have a 1986 Chevy El Camino. Two-door brown. It's almost like a brown burnt orange color. Very nice color. Interior is a red cloth interior. Very slick car. Drives great, handles well. Got a new leather backing over there, over the bed. Interior here. Very clean inside. Got the sunroof right there as well. Doors sound great. El Caminos are just such a unique car. The fact that they changed year over year over year, really something else. But we'll go ahead and jump up here to the driver's side. Take a look at the cluster. Let's go ahead, pop open the hood, take it for a spin, put her on the hoist. A great ride. Sounds awesome. It's got good acceleration.